In these examples, you guys are going to be adding and subtracting complex numbers. Don't forget that complex numbers are written in the form of a plus bi, where the a represents the real part of the complex number and the bi part represents the imaginary part of the complex number. So pretty much what we're going to be doing here is we're just going to be combining like terms. So we're going to be combining the real parts with the real parts and the imaginary with the imaginary. So on this first problem right here, we're adding 1 plus 2i, that's one complex number, with 3 minus 4i, another complex number. They both have real and imaginary parts. And here, since we're just adding, we could just copy the terms down as they are and start combining right away. So I'm going to combine the real parts with the real parts. So 1 and 3 are real parts. And when I combine them, 1 plus 3 is 4. And I'm going to combine the imaginary parts with the imaginary parts. I'm going to combine plus 2i, and I tend to circle the term with the operation symbol, the plus or the minus, so you know if you're going to add or subtract them. And I'm going to combine positive 2i with negative 4i. So when I add them, I should be getting minus 2i. Because 2i minus 4i is minus 2i. So my answer here should be 4 minus 2i. In the next example, now I'm going to be subtracting a set of complex numbers. This one you really have to be careful with because you are subtracting the complex numbers. Before you start combining like terms, make sure you distribute the minus sign to every term in the second complex number. So in here, I'm going to get negative 3 plus 5i, and I'm going to bring down the 1 plus 2i. And I'm ready to start combining the real parts with the real parts and the imaginary with the imaginary. So my real part here has a value of 1, right here a value of negative 3. So when I combine 1 and negative 3 and add them together, I get negative 2. And then I'm going to combine the imaginary parts. So positive 2i, I'm going to add with positive 5i. So that is plus 7i in there. So my answer is going to be negative 2 plus 7i. And that's it.